Hello, I'm going to talk about judo. I practice judo since was 5. You need a kimono, a belt, and you practice judo on a tatami. And never use slippers on the tatami. Depending of your level, you wear a different color of belt, from white to black. I'm green belt. There are intermediate color. For example, white and yellow, yellow and orange, green and orange. Well, the creator of judo is Jigoro Kano, and Teddy Riner, the world champion. Judo is the second popular sport in the world after soccer. Let's practice judo.